Hello everybody, this is Tarina. I am back with another video. So this is dog hair on my finger and it's driving me nuts. Okay, this is it's a box opening video. I didn't get very much. Most of it is like storage kind of stuff, organization more than anything else. I wanted to try a couple things from close to my heart that I haven't tried before. And then, so I guess we'll go ahead and get this open. Now, this is from our, I think all of it's from our annual catalog. As you can see, I did not take all the fluffs out of it. Probably should have, because my dogs love to pop those. It's almost like a treat for them. They each get you tell them to wait, and then you say okay, and then they jump up and they bite them and pop them. They like to pop them. And as soon as they're popped them, you say, okay, you're done, and then they stop. It's great. They enjoy it, and it's free-ish. I know we pay for it in the long run, but, you know, they have fun. So I got a couple of these. These are the paper envelopes, and there is 3 in each container, so I kind of wanted to, I have like a stacker that kind of stacks I think it's a We Are Memory Keepers stacker. It's like a wire rack stacker. And it stacks paper, 12 by 12 paper, but I don't have my close to my heart, like quote unquote separated, but I think it would be a lot easier for me to find coordinating paper with the, you know, close to my heart products and stuff like that if I had it separated. I love to use, like when I need a color that's just somewhere in the middle, I love using like other brands of paper. I will do that too, but if it's like, if I need it to be quick and easy and fast, I just, you know, I'll know where it is, I'll grab it, and I'll be able to use it with the product, or with my project. So that's kind of what I'm hoping. So this is, sorry about that, didn't mean to bump my ring light. This is a plastic sleeve for 12 by 12 paper, or whatever else you want to store in here. The stamp sets, close to my heart stamp sets, are made just the same, almost out of the same material. This one's got a little bit of a texture to it. It's almost like it's inside out, I think. But this is more glossy on the outside, I think, than this is. So technically, this is just like a smaller or a larger version of the stamp set envelope. So, but I love the stamp set envelopes. These are great. They hold whatever you want. So I got some of these, and I'm going to put like a label up here on the top, I think, or in the center somewhere. I'll put them somewhere, maybe at the bottom. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but I'm very excited to get those. So I got 3 of those, which means I have 9, and I think Close to My Heart has almost 50 colors, or 42, something like that. And so I will, like my blacks can be stored together. I don't really care about that. They have the black core and then they have the white core. And those two, I mean, you can obviously see what is what just by looking at the edge of it. So I have some stamp sets that are other brands that came in, you know, just plastic with a wooden or a cardboard insert. Not cardboard. You know what I mean. Kind of cardboard, but not really cardboard insert. Anyways, so those, the plastic doesn't work. It doesn't stay, you know, these are older sets, and they're not new like the new ones come with, you know, the resealable packets and all that kind of stuff. So I decided to get some of these. I only got 3. I think I'll probably need more later, but I've wanted to get these started. And then I wanted to try some of these, so I tried some of these. These are made out of the same material, which I love. And let me see if I can find my binder. Okay, so this is my binder that I put my my die cuts in. And this binder is Close to My Heart, and then I have another binder that is, it's kind of like an overflow of Close to My Heart, I think, and then other companies, because I don't need 3 binders yet. I'm not there yet. But I thought, because these are very flimsy, these here are very flimsy, I kind of wanted to get something a little bit more sturdy, something that's gonna stand up. The edges here, like the holes are starting to give out, and I know I could probably put reinforcers, but it's not going to last for very much longer than, you know, once I put those on. I'll have to put them on all the time, and I'm going to obviously accumulate more and more because, you know, that's what we do. So instead of that, I wanted to try these. They're 6x8 envelopes, and let me see if I can get these open. These are fairly new. These are new to our catalog that came out in, I want to say, August of last year. It was July for me because I got it a month early because I'm a consultant or a maker. But yeah, they're just like the stamp envelopes, which I didn't open those, but I'm pretty sure you guys know, if you've seen my videos, I pulled them out. So these are the stamp envelopes, just the same style and everything. Only these are 6x8, and they have these attachments here. Technically, you could, you know, you could probably do holes here and put those in. I don't know how you exactly do that, but it'd be kind of awkward in a 6x8 album. I guess if you did you'd have to find a 6x6 that was more like a 7x7. That would be kind of confusing. So these should work great for that. And then these have 2 layers of the plastic, so they should be nice and sturdy for the added weight that's going to be in here. Also, it should work fairly well for like the larger stamp sets and all that kind of stuff. So like, I know if my larger one is in here. I have larger stamp sets somewhere. Where'd it go? Oh, it's in one of my kits. I have a larger stamp set. So, but yeah, these. I don't know if I want to take them out of the thing or not, but these will fit perfectly in there. And I don't know how I want to do that yet. But then you can see on both sides too, if I did it that way. I could just trim those edges off and have those so then I know where things are. Or I could do individual where I just put like the stitch hearts in there. But that just seems like a waste of space when I could fill this up. I just have to trim that, the edge off of this right here. Which, that might be the answer, because since this was the problem in the first place, just trim that edge off. I like how it has the label on it already, and these are easy to slide in and out. Even in there, it wouldn't be hard. And then I'd know where they go also. So, you know, I might just do that. So anyways, yeah, these are storage envelopes. And if you guys want to, I'll put the link down in the links in the description box below. I think I might just link the organization spot on my website so that you can look at all the different types of organization we have. And then the last thing I got was adhesive sheets. And I'm sure you can get adhesive sheets cheaper somewhere else, but I'm not too worried. I wasn't too worried about that with this when I was trying to fill my orders so that I could get, I think there's 6 sheets, so you get 6 12x12. So if you were to buy this in like a 3-inch strip or something like that, or even a 6-inch strip, this would go, it wouldn't go as far as a roll, but I don't know how much this went for either. I didn't look, and I can't remember what these go for either, but they are paper on the back so that that's the part that you peel off. And then, actually no, I think this is the part that you peel off. So you can run a die cut through here. Just kind of chunk out, put your die cut on there, run it through the die cut machine, and then peel off the top layer. And then you can put you could put seed beads on there. You could put glitter, and then you kind of rub it in so that it really sticks, and then it's a lot less likely to come off. You can make glitter paper out of there. You can make, if you wanted your paper thicker, actually I don't know if you could do it that way or not. I don't know if this is double-sided or not. I think it's just adhesive on the one side. Anyways, so there are a lot of videos that have a lot of uses for these, and I cannot remember them right now because I feel like I'm fairly new to crafting again, even though I've been crafting for a lot of years. This last year has taken me for a ride, so I'm getting back into it. But yeah, you can definitely do the glitter with that, and there's a lot of other things you can do with it as well. Can't remember off the top of my head, like I said, but I know there are. That's why I got them. So I'm very excited to be able to try this. So yeah, that is this order. I'm very excited. Obviously, I'm going to have to get more of these as well because 9 of them is not going to go very far because you get 3 in each pack. But it's a good start, I think, for my die cuts, and I think it'll solve the problem that I'm having. I like having them in the binder because then I can just flip through it really easily. I might even label my binders or my sections. I might make dividers. I love making dividers, so I might just make me some dividers that divide, like, you know, basic shapes from, I don't know, because I have them all set up differently. Like they're not really in any particular order, and some of them, like Wonder of the Season, that kind of went with a collection. So I really should put that on the thing that they were with a collection. But technically they go with stamp sets. So, but you can see that I have basic shapes up here, banners. These ones did not go with a collection. So I don't know if I'm going to. This is just fancy tags, thin cuts, and then we have things like spruced up card making, and so that one definitely goes. This one here definitely goes with, you know, with a collection. So I don't know, or a stamp set. Possibly I might just go, you know, a couple of dividers. But I got myself a laminator and some laminating pouches, so I'm going to have fun with that too once I get back in the groove of things. So yeah, that will be exciting, and I have another video coming up soon. It could be a couple of different types of videos. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet, but I am back on the video making path, and I'm very excited about that. So I hope you guys come back and see me. See what I'm up to. It's going to be exciting for me because I love crafting, and I'm so excited to be back. So I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions about these, let me know, and I will get back to you. I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.